I'll show you how to replace a 2003 Honda Accord brake light. So I got a 7443 bulb. There you go, it's focused. Yeah, so that's the one we're gonna need to replace it. So first you gotta do, open your trunk obviously. There's a plastic piece right here at the corner. All you gotta do is pull it off. Might be a bit hard, but just kind of force it off. It's gonna be the top one. You can just twist it off. After you twist it off, just pull the bulb. Or after you pull the bulb out, just go ahead and place a new one in. Go ahead and put it back in its slot. Twist it on. After you put the bulb in, put the plastic piece back on. And that's it.